everybody, and welcome to It's All About
the
Dough. And today we are making a beautiful tiramisu. Look at that. Alright, so we are going to be showing you how to make a tiramisu the authentic way, but combine it with a non-authentic way as well, a non-traditional way, okay? Because the way I make tiramisu is I make it with the egg yolks and the egg whites, whereas my wife, when she makes tiramisu, she likes the whipped cream. And I'll be honest with you guys, I kind of like both, so I wanted to see what would happen if we combine the two together and see what we come up with. This is it right here, but first we're going to show you how to make that, okay? Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends, and we'll see you back in a little bit. All right, so guys, we kept this in the fridge. It's been in the fridge for about 8 hours now. Okay, so it's chilled and good enough there. So now we're just gonna add the finishing touches. Just get some of our cocoa powder here. Okay, and I think you have a little too many chocolate chips there. Okay. All right, let's start with the cocoa powder here. Just sift it there. There we go. That looks good, no? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of chocolate chips, so I do it like this. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, go ahead. There you go. Very meticulous. Don't be shy, Emma. Put some chocolate chips on there. So traditionally, there's no chocolate chips, but we just add it here, just have a little bit of fun, okay? And this is a fusion between a traditional tiramisu, the authentic way, and combine it actually the way my wife actually makes it with the whipping cream. Okay? There you go. And we're gonna cut this bad boy up and we're gonna try it out, okay? Okay. All right. First, we're gonna get our first piece there. Okay. Seems all right. There we go. And a spoon there. There we go. Oh, she's a beauty. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get some of the extra toppings inside there. All right. Okay, now for the ultimate taste test. Shanna, what do you think of it so far? Looks great, eh?
Looks beautiful.
Okay, let's see what she thinks. What do you guys think? What do you think? Delicious. Does our combined techniques, traditional, non-traditional,
yes,
work perfect?
Yes, best of both worlds.
All right, so we've come to a compromise, you and I. Because guys, we've had a long debate on this, which one actually tastes better. Obviously, I'm from my camp, the traditional way, authentic way. And my wife, Shanna, she likes the way she does it. She likes my way too, but, and I like the way she does hers as well. However, but I think this is the best combination, would you say?
Yeah.
All right, guys, you heard it. That's it. That's the ultimate judgment right there. Ciao tutti!